Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that I said that I was gonna call these things episodes of Charmed by Charlie, but I'm torn. I don't know if I want to call it episodes or if I want to introduce this as my channel. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But either way, I am back with another video. This is my first Watch Me Work video, so I'm pretty excited about that. In this video, well, not in this video, this set is a unicorn theme, cotton candy theme set. I really liked how it came out. So I guess, I don't know, what am I supposed to do? Tell you guys how I did this? I don't know, this is kind of hard. Either way, I guess I'm gonna just, take you guys through what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I am creating my marble look. To do this, I just apply my colors, which the two colors I'm using are lavender purple and like the sky baby blue. They're both from Nuni, Torres. I'll link them down in the description below. I'm applying them really wet, so okay, we're gonna go through this one. So I will take the first color, which is gonna be purple, and I'll apply it really wet, and I'll try to like spread it throughout the bottom of the nail. Then I will go with the blue in the purple and just try to like swivel it around, not in any specific pattern, but just until it looks the way that I want it to look. And that's about it. I'll also brush up just so that there isn't no like harsh beginning, because I am going to do an ombre with this. So that's when you see me, you can't really see it because of the angle of the camera, but when you see my hand doing that direction and brushing up, that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to blend it up so that there isn't any harsh line for when I do my ombre, so that it could look really nice and smooth. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'll just let you guys watch this part, and I'll just chime back in a little bit. So here, I decided to go in with a darker purple. I noticed when I was doing my marble that the colors kind of complemented each other too well, because they were both really light colors. So I decided to go in with this darker purple from Mia's Secret and outline the lavender purple so that it could get more of a authentic marble look. So on the index finger, I did an encapsulated nail. I encapsulated a ribbon that I actually got from Dollar Tree. It was this really pretty holographic purple lavender unicorn kind of ribbon, and it just stood out to me and I had to get it. So I cut it up off camera, and here you'll see me just adding it into the nail. So to do this, I just added a thin layer of clear acrylic to the nail, pretty wet, just so that I could play around with the pieces of ribbon, and I just placed them in there. I tried not to put the clear acrylic all over the nail. I just put it on the top, and then I think you're gonna see me going right now, yes. putting some more on the bottom, and then putting some more pieces in there. After I'm done doing this, I'm just going to encapsulate the whole nail with clear acrylic. Here I am doing my ombre. The color that I'm using to do this is, I think, a cover beige from Mia's Secret. I'll definitely put that in the description box below. To do this, I just put it up there. Don't drag it down too far because you don't want to cover up your marble. And lightly drag it down, but not over the ombre. I mean, not over the marble. That's about it. Yeah, after I'm done doing the marble, I'm so sorry, I don't know why I'm mixing up my words. After I'm done doing the ombre, I'm going to go in and encapsulate basically the whole nail with clear acrylic. I do this just so that when I file over the nail, that I don't file off the ombre and make it look ugly. So when I'm encapsulating, I'm really trying to just cover up that middle section of where the ombre and the marble meet. But you're gonna see that a little bit later on, but I just wanted to let you guys know that now so that you can just continue watching. So yeah. Okay, so we are nearing the end of this video. The reason why I say we're nearing the end, I know I'm not at the end of the set, but this video actually got cut off after I was done filing with this specific bit, which is the mandrel bit. Which one is it? Okay, so like if there's 3 of them, there is the lightest one. I don't even know the grit, so sorry. I'll definitely probably like add pictures or add something to show which one I'm using specifically. But there is the most fine one, there's the middle one, and then there's the more coarse one. I am using the middle one, the white one. I'm using that mandrel bit to file over my nails and smooth them over. So if there's any bumps or lumps, I'm filing that over. I'm going around the cuticle with this. I don't even know, did I say that this got cut off at the end? I think I did. Guys, my attention span, booty. So sorry. But that's what I'm doing here. I'm just, you know, filing down my nails. Since my video did get cut off, I'm just gonna tell you what you guys would normally see at the end of the video. So what I normally do is I file with the mandrel bit. Then I will file the nail with a nail file, and it'll probably be like 100 by 100 nail file, just to refine my shape and make sure my shape is A1. And then after I'm done with that, I will go around the nail with my carbide bit just to seal the cuticle, and if there's just like any acrylic that's just not where it should be, like around the sides or around the cuticle, I'll just, you know, file that off. So that's my routine: mandrel bit, nail file, carbide bit, and then I will buff the nail with a buffer. And yeah, that's how I end that off. But you're not going to see any of that. You're just going to see me go over the nail with the mandrel bit, and then it's going to cut off. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun recording this for you guys. Until next time, I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed these reveal shots. I really love this set. It was so pretty. Yeah, later guys.